Hindi naman po naganap to. Istoryahan lang to. Siguro akala nila maloloko nila tayo.
Yung the most earliest na pag-receive nyo ng US dollar is April 12, 2018. Tama?
Based dun sa sinabi po ni...
Hindi nga. Sandali. Kayo nagbigay nito ng record eh. Previous to that, wala.
After that...
Hindi. Previous. Before, wala. Tinatawagan ka raw, hindi ka sumasagot.
Baka po wala lang pong signal.
Mr. Francisco Bonus, kayo po, ano naman po yung trabaho po ninyo sa States?
Mekaniko lang.
Mekaniko. So magkano kinikita nyo sa isang buwan?
Mga,
Being a mechanic. Depende ho. Kung merong
mga 9,000, no? Mga 100,000 a year.
100,000 pesos
A year.
a year. 100,000 a year. Ang kinikita nyo?
With tax.
$100,000.
Dollars.
And that is most likely mga 5 million.
Maganda na.
5 million divided by 12. And that is how much? More or less.
Kasi 1,000 times 50, mga 400 a month.
Okay. So, nung panahon to nung 2018, ito po ang kinikita
Before
ninyo.
and after.
Ilan taon na po kayo?
69 na.
69. Okay. And 6 years ago, mga ano na kayo? 60 something.
62 and a half, nag-retire na.
Okay. And out of your good conscience, pinahiram niyo po ng 20,000.
Hindi hindi ko pinayaran. Pinadala lang sa akin.
Hindi ko kayo yung kapatid. Kala ko kayo yung... okay. Sige.
Chairman Dan?
Sige, Chair.
Okay, anyway, just for the information of some members of this committee, it was not Francisco Bunos or all other names that was mentioned that that pays, no, or contributed. It is the deceased sister of Mayor Tumang. Di ba? Yung babae. Kaya nga, pero yung nagpapadala ng pera na dinadala mo is from the US sa kapatid ni Mayor Tumang na babae. Na babae.
Sa bayaw niya.
Bayaw niya. Nga, bayaw niya. Kasi ang lalaki,
Ang
asawa
pinsan ko.
Yeah. Now, ang question is, kasi nandun naman ka naman sa US. Again, ito kasi si Alex Tumang sumagot kanina yung date. Binago mo yung date. So, it was not September. You delivered the money that was not September. That was October.
Nagkamali ako sa tupon sa kanya. Nung tingnan ko yung passport ko, pag-alis ko pala yung naibigay kong isa. Kasi ang labo.
Hindi, ang tanong ko lang, so when was that money delivered to the wife of Alex Tumang?
One day after 5 December and September.
So September 28?
20.
September 20.
At saka,
Yun yung first.
yun ang first, tapos December 5.
Then December 5.
December 5.
Kasi ang arrival mo is December 5. Dito.
Your Honor. Yes.
Please, BID, please check na lang po if indeed the arrival or entry of Mr. Francisco Tumang, Francisco Bunos, coincide with the date that was mentioned by Mr. Bunos.
Mr. Chair, would it be possible to check the passport of Mr. Bulos? Because based on our records, he does not have any arrival of December 5 in 2018. He did have an arrival of December 2, dated December 2 in 2017, Your Honor.
December 2 daw, 2017.
Nandito, Your Honor, yung
2018 yan?
passport. 2018.
Paki ano lang mamaya, no? Para hindi tayo tumagal. Paki-check na po BID with Mr. Bonos and look at the passports na po.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, thank you. Now, Mr. Alex Tumang. Balikan kita mamaya. Hindi pa ako tapos sa bonus. You're familiar with the bayaw, no? Bayaw of Mr. Teddy Tumang. Ano ba yung trabaho niya doon?
Nagano sa mga nagbabantay sa mga mayayaman na ano.
Parang caregiver. Caregiver siya. For the past ilang years ba siya doon? He was there.
Mga 30-something.
30
magkasabay kami.
Magkasabay kayo?
40 years. Ganun,
40 years. So doon siya namatay sa US? Doon siya namatay sa US?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, so ito, i-clear ko lang, I will take your statement na yung first delivery is September 20. Tama?
Parang malimutin ako, nandun nakalista doon sa passport ko, Your Honor.
Hindi, yung arrival mo kasi from Seoul is 19 August 2018.
19 o 20. Advance ng 20.
Sige na, okay na. So, sige i-take ko lang to
Your Honor.
So, September. Hindi kasi dito nakalagay is August 20.
Umuwi rin ako nung August na, 3 beses ako umuwi nung buwan na yon. Yung taon na yon. Pero yung pagdala ko ng pera, September at saka December lang.
Okay. Alex. Ito i-clear na natin Baka next hearing may babaguhin ka na naman.
Hindi ako nagkamali.
Hindi, no. Not you. I'm talking to Alex. Kasi yung sa kanya, binago nyo. Okay. Sige. Let's leave it to that. Itong kay Kalma. Sure ka na dito?
Your Honor, natawagan ko po siya noon nung umuwi siya. Kasi US citizen po to
Oo nga.
Oho. Bali, binato lang po sa akin yung date niya. Binigay lang po sa akin.
Hindi, ganito kasi yung record ng BID is April 12, 2018 from Los Angeles.
Yes.
Tapos yung payment you received the amount of 10,000
Meron kayong tatanong sa
on April 12 din, 2018.
If I'm not mistaken, Your Honor, kasi sa kanila po nanggaling, tinanong ko kung anong date sila pumunta sa bahay. Ngayon, binabasian po nila yung kanilang passport. Nagkamali po si Mr. Francisco, yung sa August 20 niya, wala pala nung kinuha ko dahil alam ko magkakaroon ng uling hearing, kaya andyan siya sa Pilipinas, tinignan ko yung mga passport niya, mali pala yung ano.
Anyway, Mr. Alex Sumang, I will leave it that, no? Yung record mo. So, yung the most earliest na pag-receive nyo ng US dollar is April 12, 2018. Tama?
Based dun sa sinabi po ni...
Hindi nga. Sandali. Kayo nagbigay dito ng record At
Yes.
tinatanong ko lang dito, sa binigay niyong record, except for bonus, na binago nyo, dahil nakalimutan niya yung travel record niya, is April 12, 2018. Yung kay Kalma. The rest po, ang pinakaano is December, as mentioned by bonus, is December 5 or 2. May-reconcile na lang yung travel niya.
Sorry, Your Honor, dahil 2018 pa po yan, hindi po namin napareceive dahil dinadala lang po sa bahay.
Hindi nga.
Kaya,
Sandali, Alex.
hindi.
Mr. Alex Tumang, kayo magbigay nito ng based on the travel record. Anyway, hindi naman pwede na pinadala to through electronic banking. Sabi nyo kasi personal debit, di ba?
Opo.
Also, based on your record, and based on the record of the BID, except for bonus, puro ang pinakamaaga ng 2018 is April 12. That was delivered to you by Mr. Renato Calma.
Mr. Chair, si Renato po, bali, katabing ano lang po yan, meron po siyang anak doon sa may barangay na Pundi.
Sandali Eto, wag kang, ang tinatanong ko lang kasi is, ang pinakaunang delivery ng US dollar is April 12, 2018, based on your record by Renato Calma.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, previous to that, wala.
After that,
Hindi, previous, before, wala. Before April 12, wala.
wala po, Mr.
Wala,
Honor.
okay. That's on record, Okay. With this, may I direct Mayor Gonzales, no, to produce and submit to this committee the certified true copy of the payments of Mr. Teddy Tumang with regards to the 43 million pesos. All, if that is, I think if my memory serves me right, that was a two-tranche payment. No? Kung tama yung pagka-remember ko. But of course, I have to get it, the committee has to get it, because we need to reconcile the dates. Kasi the notice of this allowance happens much earlier. Because the crime that was committed with this 43 million happens during the year 2011 ata. Tama? Tama, Mayor? Tama. That was, and the delivery and payments, and the delivery was made, kung 2011 po, lumabas yung notice of disallowance, that was 7 years ang difference, because the first delivery was made April 12, 2018. So we have to get the certified true copy of the payments being made by Mayor Tumang. Pakiasap lang po. Certified true copy dapat Hindi.
Sa notice of disallowance. July
Hindi.
to December.
Anyway, mayroon ako dito. No? Mayroon akong hawak,
But not certified.
but not a certified true copy. Ayun, may problema talaga dito. If the data is correct, kasi hindi pwede kayong gumawa ng story dito sa committee. Nandiyan yung mga initial dates. Now, we have to get a copy with a certified true copy from the Treasurer's Office through Mayor Gonzales. Please, Mayor, asap lang po. Kasi pwede niya mang sabihin na si Mr. Bonus nagdala ng ganito, nagdala ng ganito. Pero ang mahalaga doon is the payment of Mayor Tumang. That is 4 tranches pala, hindi 2. 4 na tranche. Diba? Oh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Chairman Dan.
We're so preoccupied of discussing this transfer of money from sa states going back here, na dala ng mga certain personalities. But in all reality, Mr. Chairman, we all know the story. That hindi naman po naganap to. Istoryahan lang to. Siguro akala nila maloloko nila tayo. Anyway, we'll be proving our point in the next hearing, and we will prove to them that they are lying. Mr. Chair, baka pwede rin nating imbitahan yun sa broker natin may kilala ka ba, going back lang isa lang kay Daisy, may kilala ka bang Presi M. Garcia?
Yes po.
May kilala ka, Presi Garcia, broker?
Yes po.
O kilala mo pala to, ba't hindi mo sinasabi kanina?
Yung kanina pong binanggit kong PMG Realty.
Kaya nga, o kilala mo tong Presi Garcia, ba't hindi mo binabanggit?
Binanggit ko po kanina.
Siya yung kilala mo, isang broker.
Yes po.
Okay, tinatanong kita kanina, isa, magsalita ka kung sino. Ba't hindi mo binanggit to?
Nabanggit ko na po nung una eh.
Nabanggit na. Can we invite this,
PMG Realty po.
Oo,
Nabanggit ko.
mabanggit na, ma-invite na natin sa susunod na hearing. Ha?
COMSEC is directed to invite the Sino yan? COMSEC is directed to invite certain Mr. ba? Miss Prese Garcia. And the barangay captain that was mentioned by Miss Daisy Quiros.
I think Barangay San Pablo? Si Randy? Kapitan Randy, Am I correct, Daisy?
Maybe San Pablo or De La Paz po.
De La Paz. Barangay De La Paz. We're talking about Mexico, no? Mexico.
San Simon po.
San Simon pala to. San Simon.
She mentioned also a certain Kapitan Randy of San Pablo.
Ayun, Randy San Pablo. Yan natandaan ko.
And then Kapitan Brando
binanggit
of De
din
La
yan.
Paz.
Yes. Can we invite those personalities from that town, municipality?
Duly noted, COMSEC is directed to invite those persons mentioned. Ms. Daisy Quiros, ano ba, in this today's hearing, ano bang natanggap mo sa invitation? Through email or yung sa phone mo?
Ano po? Letter po.
Ano nga, email o sa
Letter
phone?
po, hard copy po. Pinadala po sa bahay. Letter.
Sa bahay mo?
Opo.
Yung phone mo,
Active naman po.
active? But
Wala po akong natanggap na message.
wala.
Wala po.
So active pa rin sigurado ka?
Yes po.
Kasi tinitext at tinatawagan ka raw, hindi ka sumasagot. Doon
Baka
sa
po
phone mo.
wala lang pong signal.
Ring mo talaga. Wag na. Sige, Chairman, ako, paki-turn off na lang po yung yung microphone.